So here we go. Battery, cover, so that doesn't matter right now. Just trying to show how easy it is to take the cover off. So traditional lifestyle, we have fish and trap. We speak our own language here. It's the combination of Cree and Ojibwe. So this has a little indentation that you will see. So we're in the middle there, so we call ourselves Ojibwe. Just like cell phones have it, it's right here at the bottom. It has a indentation that you can just take a flathead, smallest one you can have, or I guess a little steak knife, but I would try to find a flathead. You'll find something around the house. And right here, you see how I stick it in and I tweak it. I go side to side until it comes apart, and it comes apart fairly quick. Then you just lift it up, and it's off. Then this part, you need both fingers because the whole thing comes off. It's a clip. It's a clip. Push down, it comes out. So now you charge it. It has also to charge it, like if you're going to charge a cell phone. So it sent me a notification there's only 30% left. It needs to be charged. My ring needs to be charged. Awesome. I was wondering, I know it's been like February 9th is when I got it. My daughter transferred it over to me. She got Vevint security system. She's paying for it. Not a bad plan. So now it's going to charge. So as long as this goes green, just like a cell phone. That's that. Over and out.